Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can turn an old legging into a bodysuit. First of all, what we'll do, we'll cut 16, which is half cut of the body from the down part of the legging to form our top. So today's video is shorter than my previous video because I'm experimenting on bringing shorter video with less detail. But let me know in the comment down below if you still prefer the longer videos with much in-depth details. Next, you open the both sides of the down part of the legging. If you notice, the material is very stretchy, so it looks small, but it's still going to work even though it's small. We are now going to cut at the armpit area. The depth of the armpit, we're going to make it 8. Area with the depth will be 5, so just cut it out. So now we'll sew all the openings, the shoulder and both sides of the top. Now we are going to join the top parts with the down parts. From my previous video, I'm sure you would have known that any kind of joining is supposed to be inside out, so I'm joining it inside out. But first of all, just pin it down for perfect finishing. Try to pin it down first before you sew it round. So after pinning it down, that's when you sew it round. So it's so simple, you don't need to do anything else. It's like it's so quick. That's one way to do this. So this is the final result. You don't need to aim the edges because that's a very stretchy material. There are various ways you can actually style this. If you want a video on how to style this outfit, just leave a comment down below. So this is it guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe before you leave. Until my next video, bye for now.